In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file to Microsoft Copilot. This step-by-step guide is perfect for you if you're looking to leverage the powerful AI capabilities of Microsoft Copilot with your Excel data. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Copilot platform. If you're not familiar with it, Microsoft Copilot is an AI companion designed to assist you with a variety of tasks. It's a fantastic tool that can help you perform complex analyses, automate processes, and so much more by harnessing the data from your Excel spreadsheets. Once you're on the Microsoft Copilot page, you'll see a user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze. Now take a look at the top of the screen. You'll want to find and click on the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new content, and it's usually located in a prominent spot, so make sure to keep an eye out. Clicking this icon will bring up a menu with several options, and from these, you'll select the one that allows you to add files or images. Choose Add Images or Files from the menu. This option is specially designed to let you upload your Excel spreadsheets and other types of files into Microsoft Copilot. When you click on it, a File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. From here, locate the Excel file that you want to upload. It's always a good idea to have your file organized and stored in a spot where you can easily find it, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. Once you've found your Excel file, click to open it. The file will begin uploading to Microsoft Copilot right away. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, this could take a few moments, so be patient. Remember, once your file is uploaded, Microsoft Copilot will have access to all the data within, which it can then use for analysis or any other operations you wish to perform. Once the upload is complete, you'll have full access to your Excel data within Microsoft Copilot's interface. From here, you can start using Copilot's AI features to manipulate and analyze your data. This setup allows for a seamless integration between your local files and the robust functionalities offered by Copilot, making your data-driven tasks much easier and more efficient. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded an Excel file to Microsoft Copilot, opening up a world of possibilities for data analysis and more. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring all that Microsoft Copilot can do with your data.